Photos and video editing apps are wonderful and plentiful that everyone uses. These are apps that crop, cut, others offer many tones and hue filters, and some turn you already recorded videos into slow motion video. The Galaxy S24 is expected to ditch the need for third-party apps when it comes to slow motion, as per current rumor about latest Samsung 6.1 software. The S24 line, which will be unveiled on January 17th, will pack many AI goodies. Amongst them, there is a line that says Galaxy AI, as some Brazilian stores prematurely displayed in the first day of 2024. The ex-tipster Ahmad posted his latest exclusive report in the post, stating that there will be a browsing assist AI with 3 options to pick from. One will be the option to highlight important things of a web page, the ability to translate to and from a given language, and the ability to create a summary of web page or an article. The tipster shines a light on something else, this time that is found in the Galaxy app. While playing a video in Galaxy, you can now compress it and make a slow motion in any part within the video without the need for any external app. Of course, this is not the end of the list. With AI tricks Galaxy S24 has up its sleeves. It will come with One UI 6.1 out of the box. There will be features to ease notes summarization in Samsung Notes, real-time language translation during calls, or wallpaper generator and AI generated effects for the lock screen wallpaper. The phone will allow you to erase things from images and videos, but you will have to wait and see. More features, it will come on January 17th.